Okay.
Yes, sir.
We are going to play a quiz, but before this, remember uh, one thing. What is it? We are going to play a quiz. Whoever will be able to answer, just unmute and say your name, nothing else. Just say your name you want to answer, and you must not unmute all at a time because it will disturb the class only. As it is not a class, we are trying to play a game. When you will be playing a game, it will be in a right process, right way, so that we can enjoy the game. If you are not able to answer it, don't worry, only just wait and listen to your friends. They will be answering you, and it will be a nice thing to enjoy a quiz in this way. Again, I will be presenting. There will be your question set. Ready? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. I am presenting. It is my screen, and I will take you to this one. What is it?
Quiz for all.
For
For
Quiz
all.
for all. For
Very,
all.
Quiz for
Quiz
all.
for all.
very good.
Kitty.
Then,
1 point for each question. Total points 10.
very
Choose the
good.
right option.
Yes.
Choose the right option.
So you will be given options. Four options will be there, and you will only choose the right option for the right answer of your sentence, of your question. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you are in the same team. You are team A, and I am only team B because I am presenting. So I am team B. You are all in team A. First question. Give synonym of health.
Assist.
Assist. Assist.
Assist.
Assist.
Assist. Assist.
This
Assist.
correct.
Assist.
This is your
Assist.
answer. You are correct.
Assist.
Correct answer assist. You are correct. Next. Next question. So your score is 1. Has Shivam taken breakfast? State the tense of the verb
Past.
in the above sentence.
Sir, past. Sir, past.
Sir, present.
Past.
I am only
Present.
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 Present perfect tense.
Present. Present. Present.
So the correct answer is present tense. Okay, 2 points. Which what is the correct spelling?
Sir, SUCCEED.
Option.
Succeed. Sir,
Number D.
sir,
D.
number A.
Number A.
Sir, I am only
Number
correct answer is number
SUCCED, sir. Number A.
Correct answer B option. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, only one gave me the right answer. One student answered me correctly. So B is the correct answer. SUCCED. Choose the
Sir,
right
I have
sentence.
also told that one. I am only.
Okay. Now answer me. Choose the right sentence.
Alice with Paris went to
the Wonderland.
Number C. The number C.
Sir, I am only the
Number
correct
C.
answer is number C. Number
The
C.
number C. The number C. The number C. Sir, what the correct answer?
Hmm. I am giving you the right answer. You have told me this one. Okay. Your answer is right. It is only Alice with Paris went to the Wonderland. Your answer is right.
This is our question.
Ready? Ready for the next question?
Yes, sir. I am
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Devdipto is using an earphone, but Revanto is using a laptop. Pick out the conjunction in the above sentence.
But.
But is the conjunction of the sentence.
Correct answer. It is but. So but is the correct answer. Question number 6. Up to 5 you have answered me correctly. You have answered me 5 questions correctly. Now question number 6. Look at Joy. Dash is he is fast asleep. Yes, he is the correct answer. Again, you have answered me correctly. Next, a dash diagnoses and treats injuries or illness in a patient.
Surgeon.
Option B.
Dear surgeon.
Okay,
So
you are
surgeon.
right. You are right. Your answer is surgeon. So you have answered me again correctly. Next, bread and butter is taken at breakfast. Pick out the subject.
Bread and butter.
Nice. Your answer is correct again. Very good. Mohan will help Tina turn into interrogative sentence.
Who is Tina?
Does Mohan will help Tina?
Number B.
Okay,
Number
B.
C.
Number B is the right answer. Correct. So your answer, Mohan help Tina? You are right. This is the correct answer. This is the last question. Suman read. Suman will read an answer. Suman.
Number A.
Number A. Suman went to school at 7:30 a.m. Fill in with a preposition. So the answer is at. You are correct. Your answer is correct. You have answered me 10 questions. Oh, nice. Thank you. You have obtained 10 in your test. I am now not presenting. I am just in front of you. I think you have answered me correctly and your score 10 out of 10. Shreyank and Shivansh.
Yes, sir.
Now you will be asking, both of you will be asking one question because I am in team B, you are in team A. You will ask me anything else so that I can answer you. Don't ask me any difficult question. I am not a quiz master. I will be very much afraid to answer you. Shreyansh and Shivansh, ask me any question. Okay, Shreyansh and Shivansh, only think about your question. Right now I will go to Ryan's, any question? Ryan's?
Yes, sir.
Ask me any question you want to ask. Ryan's, now you are quiz master. I am playing the game with you because I am team B. Any question, Ryan's? No. Deepayan cannot hear me. Dia can hear me. Dia,
Yes, sir.
we are in team B. You are in team A. Now you will ask us one question.
Can I give you a hard question? Very hard question.
Okay, we will try.
What is the fastest running insect in the world?
Our mind, your mind. It is the first thing in this world. If I think
The
I am,
fastest running insect.
huh?